just came from brunch. It's actually breakfast, but we ate so much that it's going to be our brunch. So we're not going to have lunch today. It was actually really good. I forgot to take photos of the food. So I had the bacon. I thought the bacon was good since the meat in Hawaii is very good. It wasn't that good. I think the bacon in Texas is a little bit more better than the one in Hawaii. So that's basically it. The pina colada yogurt is very sweet. Just it's
there. It's inside right there. When we walk back.
Also the red velvet waffles are very small. It's a very small portion. So if you don't want to eat them, you can take them. But the bad part is that they don't taste good. They don't taste like red velvet. It tastes very bland. So that's why I don't want. So I don't. What's that word? I forgot what word it is. But just don't get it. It's not that good. If you don't like plain things, not plain things, food, you can get it. And also, it's also a small portion. If you get one. Also, coconut syrup. Very sweet, but it has a lot of coconut flavor to it.
Oh, I was looking for Institute House.
Right now, my parents are confused. Where are we?